Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, sharing with you today this head-turning and brand new Land Rover Range Rover SE, available here with a 3.0 D350 mild hybrid engine and exterior painted in a gorgeous Velocity blue metallic colour. In the front, you can enjoy the benefit of automatic pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, whilst around the side, upgraded 23-inch gloss black alloys will really stand out beautifully against that Velocity blue colour. In the rear, you'll also find signature-shaped LED taillights on offer, with decorative decals on either side. If that wasn't enough, this model even benefits from a sliding panoramic roof, whilst passengers inside the cabin will enjoy these ebony black leather perforated Windsor leather seats, with their own 2-zone climate control system, as well as a Meridian sound system. In the front, the decorative door and dash inserts with multicolour ambient lighting can be found, as well as these fully adjustable 20-way heated and ventilated front seats. The driver will also enjoy leather-wrapped heated multifunction steering wheel operating the interactive driver display, as well as head-up display projected directly onto the windscreen. In the centre, 13.1-inch PV Pro connected surfaces will have all your entertainment needs covered, with the likes of those heated and cooled front seats, along with 2-zone climate control, as well as bespoke drive modes thanks to the all-wheel drive system. Built-in satellite navigation will also ensure you never get lost, whilst the AB radio will also help you find your favourite stations. Additionally, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto projection is on offer with the multicolour ambient lighting I mentioned earlier. It truly must be seen, especially when travelling at night. To protect you and your occupants, there's a number of driver assistance functions such as those displayed on the screen. Helping you park is a 3D surround parking camera, giving you visibility all around the vehicle as well, and allowing you to even choose which angle you would like to see. Moving down the cabin, there is also a wireless induction charger for your device, as well as a cooled refrigerator center console. Overhead, you'll even benefit from easy controls for the electric sunshade blind, as well as the panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of a brand new Range Rover SE D350 that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information, get in touch with our friendly sales team today.